How to align different objects in Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to select the layer that you want to align. As you select the layer, this is the thing that I want to transform. So this is the transform panel. So I can show transform or do not show transform controls over here. I can click it, but how do I access these align panels? So for aligning, I should be selecting multiple things. So let's say I am selecting all of this at once. So this transform panel is now available. So I have, if I want to transform, if I want to align it with the right or left side, I can click on this for the right side and this for the left side. I can also align them in the center by aligning them differently, and then I can align them all on the one top of each other, and also on the background or also on the middle. So I can also go back by control Z, and I can also change all the changes I can make. So this is how I can quick align anything on the Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.